Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to answer WhatsApp on Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 4. The first thing we have to have is WhatsApp installed on our Galaxy Watch, as you can see in the video above. When we receive a new message from WhatsApp, we will see a notification on our smartwatch. We can consult it by scrolling the screen to the right. Now click on the notification where the WhatsApp message appears. We'll look at the conversation where that message is. To see it in full and answer, click on the Open on Watch option. Next, the conversation will open where you will see the message. You can respond to it using both the voice and keyboard methods. Select the one you prefer and send the answer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you don't see the notification or want to reply to another message, open the app menu by scrolling the screen up. Then tap on the WhatsApp app. Here you can enter the conversation you want and respond to the messages you need, as we saw before. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.